Come here, baby. While you were walking over there, the Lord said for me to tell you how special you are to Him and not to take it lightly, because you're going to become, as David was in the shepherd's field tending for his father's sheep. God called him there. God's calling you. How old are you, honey? 14. Well, can I tell you that Miss Darlene is going to watch over you, because you are a special treasure. You are one of the three that I saw that the devil was trying to destroy.
Last night in her dreams.
You don't have to fear any devil, because God has you surrounded. All of your life, the devil has meant to kill you and destroy you. But God said He has sent His buckler. You're going to be protected. You're not going to have to worry about somebody shooting you, somebody killing you, because you have a divine protection plan that God, what's your name, baby? Well, I'm going to be with you. Okay? God bless you, honey. Give the